Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Tribute Monoface and Duoface. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. If there's one thing even more useless than a diver's watch on a wrist of a guy sitting behind a desk, certainly it is a watch designed for polo players, on a wrist of a guy sitting behind a desk. But there it is again. More than 90 years from its inception, we have a new JLC Reverso. When was the last time you played polo? Do you even ride a horse? No. Watching My Little Pony with your daughter doesn't count. The Reverso of today is a gentleman's toy, a diminutive yet elegant timepiece with a unique case. A polo player might hide the dial to protect it from damage, but today the same gesture with the Monoface is an analog equivalent of putting your smartphone face down on a table. The Duoface is different. It's like having two watches sharing the same movement. You can switch between them according to your mood, or just to annoy someone during a boring meeting, the American Psycho style. Hidden under the case of Monoface is the JLC 822 movement. The Duoface uses the 854 caliber. Both require manual winding every other day, but they allow the watch to be small enough to slide under the shirt's cuff like it was never there. In one word, posh. Like Rolls-Royce, Reverso remained an icon, even if the world around was irrevocably altered. With these models, JLC pays tribute to the original one, almost matching its size. The Monoface is just 24 millimeters wide, but it is a man's watch, no doubt. Quite a memory trip. Felt like the new deal was just introduced by FDR. Thanks for playing polo with us, and catch you in the next one.